Oh boy, this has been a big one for us. I really wish I had like a good answer. As a do it yourself band, you get so used to having to do everything yourself that you kind of start to not trust other people's intuition. And it gets hard to kind of give up some work. But I do think if you're able to financially um, prioritize yourself, whether that's taking a break, whether that's offloading, your work onto someone else, even if it seems mundane, like checking emails or something. Like if that's within your budget, obviously. But I mean, man, it's hard because we love what we do, so we kind of get blindsided by um, we'll just work and work and work, but not realize that we're working because it's fun. But then, it comes around. I wish I had a good answer. I feel like I'm not saying anything